Hey content creators! Whether you're new or experienced, this is the build along for you. Today we're going to make your life easy with some no-code automation. We'll show you how to set up an Airtable base that automatically updates whenever you upload a video to your channel using a no-code platform called make.com. And if you stick around till the end of the video, I'll reveal a second automation that will pull in your latest video analytics from the YouTube API. This way you can easily track your content's performance and make any changes to your content planning if something's doing particularly well. So if you're ready to streamline your content creation, let's dive in. I'm going to manually show you how this works by clicking Start, Run Once, and if we watch our Airtable record, it should fill in here. There we are. We've got a load of records and it's just filled up. This is how fast the automation is, and what you can see here is we have some additional fields for likes, views and comments. This automation doesn't work for this, but we have a secondary build. And if I go here, we're going to scroll across, we're going to run this module, you will see it picks up everything and we have liftoff. So now we're getting the metrics for our build, everything coming through. If I scroll down, there we are. So I'll show you how it all works. So this build, I'm going to show you how to get your hands on this basically. We're going to give this away inside of our SKOOL community, but it's also very easy to build as well. It's just some simple fields along here. This is the part of the video where I interrupt and say if you want to get hold of these automations and a copy of this Airtable base, you can join our SKOOL community. Yeah, as you can see here in our SKOOL community, we're constantly updating with new automations. We're dropping 2 videos every week. So Alex produces one and I produce another. So this will be available inside of our SKOOL community, where you'll simply be able to download. So basically you can copy the base and add it to your workflow. As simple as that by clicking on the copy base button. You can also upload the blueprints to the automations available in our SKOOL community by simply downloading them, and then you need to import and you can select choose file and watch this. We will just upload really quickly and you're good to go. So we can do that for not only this automation but the second automation will be available too. So I can show you. Simple as that, you're ready to go. So the automations are set up, ready for you in our SKOOL community. So please consider subscribing whilst the subscription is very low. And we have the automations here. So we've got two builds, step 1, step 2. So this is step 1. And what we have here is the YouTube watch videos. I've already made a connection to my YouTube account, but if you haven't, you just need to click up here and follow the steps. Accept their terms and sign in, but I don't need to do this because I've already signed in. And then you will need a second module, which is Airtable, and you want to create a record. So inside here we've connected to the relevant base. So what we're going to do is just pass through the outputs from here, the output JSON array here. So we've got the video ID, channel ID, title, description, thumbnails. So we've actually got URLs to our thumbnails, and then we've got the channel title and the date it was published. So we're just going to pass them through. Video ID goes in here. File URL. So this is an attachment field. You can see here if I double click, this is an attachment. So it will actually upload an image into the Airtable base, something you can't do on Excel, which is why I'm a big fan of Airtable. You can do so much more. It's like Excel on steroids. So I'm passing through the title of the video to give the file a name, then I'm giving the title, the description. This will be a watch link, so we just need to append this to the video ID, and then it's a clickable link, and then we're putting the publication date. And that's actually a date format. You can see here, type date. So let's choose to run this really simply. I'm going to click choose where to start, and I'm going to select choose manually, and I'm going to select this one here. If I was to click run this once, you can see the automation's working. We're going to go to SKOOL now and go to this build, this build, this build. So as you can see, these are new. They came in 17 seconds ago. So all of these videos just got propagated here. I've also at the end of our table got the section here to get metrics. So we have a second build for that, the second automation here. which is searching the Airtable records. So it goes through everything in the base, brings back 100 results. So if you've got more than 100 pieces of content on your channel, you're going to have to up this number here. Then it will iterate through each result. So this brings out bundles here, as you can see, bundle 1, 2, 3, 4. So then it will get each record and run concurrently. So if I click on this module here, on the explain flow, it splits 3 times and then runs through. So let's run this module and see what happens inside of the base. There we are. So we're now getting the metrics from the videos. Perfect. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the build. If so, please leave a like, and I'd love to get your feedback, so please give me a comment if you want to see some more integrations. I mean, make.com, there's no limits really. There's a possibility to get virality scores based on our own algorithms. That's a future build perhaps. But yeah, I need to know if people are interested, so please leave me a comment. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next build.